Hi, I'm Molly Rose, and we're at the Gadget Repair Expo. Come with me, let's check it out.
Well, this is our fifth Gadget Repair Expo, expecting over 1,000 attendees today.
What is your favorite part of the Gadget Repair Expo?
People coming here and reaching out and seeing how they can improve their business through our exhibitors and sponsors and demo people doing demonstrations here and being able to put on a show that can benefit them directly.
Why do you love coming to the Gadget Repair Expo?
I mean, we're a core part of this ecosystem. So we've been an exhibitor and sponsor of every single Gadget Repair Expo since it started.
What I love about the GRE, there's so many resources for everyone. Whether you need accessories, whether you're looking at business consultants to help you either expand, or folks who can get in-store payment plans for their customers to make things more accessible.
It's just the one place where it's specifically for repair, for those technicians to come to get more knowledge or meet with those vendors, people that are actually supplying them parts, and put a face with a name. Because we are a community, no matter how far spread out we are.
What's going on here?
So I'm standing next to the gentleman that just won the micro soldering competition here at GRE, and he has won himself an ADS 200 station along with a soldering iron and a pre-tip.
What is happening right now?
Okay, so we're here after a full day of head-to-head competition. We now have the two finalists.
I'm Jessa, and I did a talk today where we fixed somebody's iPhone 13 Pro Max that was dead.
I'm Javi Guzman with Mr. Phone Doctor, here checking out the GRE 5.0. It's my fifth time here, loving the show. The energy that you get from these type of events it's great. I'm filled with adrenaline and excited to be here.
Dime quién eres.
Ok, mi nombre es Julio Ponte y soy de Venezuela. Soy técnico especializado en todo lo que es la reparación de dispositivos Apple. Y bueno, en estos momentos me he dedicado a lo que es estudio, análisis y todo lo que tiene que ver con Apple Watch.
The last competition is about the change of glass or remanufacturing, refurbishing. I don't know what's the correct word that do you use. And it's so good. There are 4 bravements, and now we have a second round. We have so much people that want to win the prize.
You were the champion last year, and what did you do to win?
Well, I changed the screen on the phone the fastest.